We are standing at the Govind Dev Ji temple of Jaipur, where you can see Jaipurites are watching the live telecast of the Pran Pratishtha of Ram Lala. You can see in the frame Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Yogi Adityanath, Mohan Bhagwat, RSS chief, uh, offering their prayers. Everybody was waiting for this day, and finally, after 4 years of landmark judgment by Supreme Court on Ram Mandir, people are celebrating the Pran Pratishtha across the country. Every single part of this country has turned into Ayodhya, and those who can't go there have made arrangements for the special telecast of Ram Pratishtha. This Govind Dev Ji temple also has an historical importance. In the temple of Govind, in the premises of Govind, people are worshipping Rama. So it's an amalgamation of two different yugas, and you can see. बाबूजी क्या नाम है आपका?
मुरलीधर यादव।
सालों से इंतजार था और बड़ा खूबसूरत संयोग है कि कृष्ण की धरती पर राम की पूजा हो रही है।
कृष्ण और राम एक ही है, परमात्मा ईश्वर। वो अवतार अलग अलग हैं
और की नगरी में आज राममय हो गई पूरी तरह से।
हाँ, वो लीला राम अवतार की लीला, पुरुषोत्तम मर्यादा पुरुषोत्तम राम की लीला थी भगवान की, और ये थी प्रेम भक्ति की लीला कृष्ण भगवान की। और गोविंद देव जी और राम एक ही हैं।
इंतजार था सालों से रामलीला की प्राण प्रतिष्ठा का सभी हिंदुओं को।
पूरा था पूरा, इसमें कोई संदेह नहीं है, क्योंकि आक्रांता आए, उन्होंने हमारी सभ्यता और संस्कृति को नष्ट, और हमारी आध्यात्मिकता, जो पूरे विश्व के अंदर भारत ही एक ऐसा देश है जिसके अंदर अवतार हुए हैं। परमात्मा जिस पर अवतरित होता है उसको छिन्न भिन्न करने के लिए जो आक्रांता थे, जिनको मलेच्छ कहते हैं, उन्होंने मानवता का सर्वनाश कर दिया और हमारी आध्यात्मिकता को बहुत चोट पहुंचाई।
These are the people who are like emotionally drenched and watching live visuals of Prime Minister Modi. You can see the live visuals from Jaipur. People are watching this on screen of Prime Minister Modi at the Ram Lalla temple. But we will also show you some more visuals of Govind Dev Ji temple, who is also called the king of all city, one of the most worshipped temple of Krishna across the pockets of northern India. And you can see messages of Ram Lalla, Badhai hai, Mandir Shri Govind Dev Ji Jaipur. So people are here since morning celebrating the Pran Pratishtha of Ram Lalla in Ayodhya. They were waiting for this day, and finally their wish has been fulfilled. From kids to old age, from techies to different people from different background are here. You can see youngsters dressed in saffron traditional dresses. They are also here, and they are celebrating the Pran Pratishtha of Ram Lalla. With camera person Manish Kumar from Jaipur, Jai Kishan Sharma, India Today.